My dear students, how are you? I hope all are fine. Directly welcome to our today video class. Today you are going to learn about 6th standard geography. The topic is land and oceans. What is that? Land and oceans. Before going to the topic, now let's go for the introduction. That Earth is surrounded by water and land. Water occupies 79%. This is 79% of water. Then 21% of land. What is that? The earth covered by water and land. Water occupies 79% and land occupies 21% of the earth's surface. The surface of the earth, it's not even. The surface of the earth is not even. It's lofty slopes, that is lofty mountain and deep oceans are there. Let's go, what are the classification of landforms? Next we go, the classification of landforms. Today in this video, you are going to learn classification of landforms. In classifications, mainly categorized into 3 order. The first order is, the first one is, it is first order. The second one is, it is second order. Third one is third order. The landforms are mainly classified into 3. One is first order, second one is second order, third one is third order. The first order landforms categorized as, that is example of first order landform is continents and oceans. What are they? First order landforms, continents and oceans. The second order landforms categorized as mountain, plateau, and third one is plains. This is an example of second order landforms. What are they? Mountain, plateau and plains. The third order landforms, it is classified again, it is categorized as 3. What are they? Valleys, then beaches, then sand dunes. The third order landforms categorized as valleys, beaches, sand dunes. These are the classification of landforms. Mainly landforms are classified into 3 order. The first order continents and oceans. The second order landforms are mountain, plateau, plains. The third order landforms are valleys, beaches, sand dunes. Let's see one by one in very detail. First we go first order landforms. That categorized of first order landform is, first one is continents. The vast land masses on earth are called continents. What is that? The vast land masses of earth is called continents. There are 7 continents. They are, what is that? Vast land masses. Land masses are called, vast land masses are called continents. There are 7 continents. They are, first one is Asia. The second continent is Africa. Then third one is North America. The fourth one is South America. Fifth one is Antarctica. Sixth one is Europe. The last continent is Australia. So these are the 7 continents of the world. And among these, Asia, we are living in Asia continent, that Asia is largest continent. Asia is largest, and Australia is smallest continent in the world. Smallest, what is that? Which is the largest continent in the world? Asia is largest. The smallest continent in the world is Australia. So Australia is smallest. So this is about the continents. The vast land masses are called continents. There are 7 continents, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Among these, Asia is largest and Australia is smallest continent. The second, we go oceans. Oceans. What are called oceans? Huge water bodies are called. What is that? Huge water bodies are called oceans. What is? Huge water bodies are called oceans. There are 5 oceans. There are totally 5 oceans, namely Pacific. Second one is Arctic. Third one is Indian. The fourth ocean is Southern. The fifth one is Atlantic. These are the 5 major oceans in the world. What are they? Pacific, Arctic, Indian, Southern and Atlantic. Among these, Pacific Ocean is largest ocean. What is that? Pacific Ocean is largest ocean in the world. Then Arctic Ocean is smallest ocean. Smallest ocean. Which is largest? Pacific Ocean is largest. Which is smallest ocean? Arctic Ocean is smallest. Next we go second order landforms. What are the second order landforms? Mountain, plateau and plains. Let's see one by one in very detail. First one we go mountain. What are called a mountain? No? A landform that rises 600 meter above its surrounding. What is the landform that rises 600 meter above its surrounding and has steep slopes are called mountain. What is that? The landform that rises 600 meter above, it has steep slopes is called mountain. Here the examples of mountain. We go that Himalayas of Asia. Himalayas of Asia. Then Rocky Mountains. Rocky Mountain of North America. Rocky Mountain of North America. Then Andes. What is third one? Andes Mountain of, this is located in South America. These are the examples of mountains. What are they? Himalayas of Asia, Rocky Mountain of North America, Andes Mountain of South America. This Andes Mountain is longest mountain. What is that? Andes Mountain is longest mountain in the world. Its height is 7,000 kilometers. What is that? It is longest mountain in the world. The height, it ranges, the mountain ranges, that height is 7,000 kilometers. That mountain point, that is what we called the mountain point which we goes, that point is called peak. What is? the mountain point which has the height is called its peak. Let's see one of the interesting important peak in the world, that is Mount Everest. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. What is that? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak. Its height is 8,848 meters. In mountain ranges, that height, that point which is exaggerated, that point is called peak. That peak, important peak is Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. That Mount Everest height is 8,848 meters. This located in Mount Everest is located between Nepal and China. Where the Mount Everest is located, no? It's located Nepal, between the Nepal and China. This is about that Mount Everest and some of the mountain. In among this mountain, Andes mountain is it is highest and largest mountain. That is even Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. In December 11, in every year, in December 11, we are celebrating International Mountain Day. International Mountain Day. This is also some additional message you should learn. International Mountain Day is celebrated in every year, December 11. This also you should keep in your mind. Very important thing. We are celebrating International Mountain Day. By knowing that mountain, just we are celebrating that is December 11 as International Mountain Day. We are also having some of the mountains here. For example, in Udagamandalam, that's we called Ooty. Udagamandalam and Kodaikanal. In our surroundings, we are having Yerkad and Yelagiri. Some of the hill stations are found in Tamil Nadu. This is our state, Tamil Nadu. There are some hill stations are there. What are they? Udagamandalam, Kodaikanal, Yerkad and Yelagiri. These are the hill stations are found in Tamil Nadu. Next, second order landform is plateau. So here there are some important plateaus we are going to see now. One is Tibetan plateau. What is that? Tibetan plateau. This Tibetan plateau is largest plateau in the world. What is Tibetan plateau? Is largest plateau in the world. Largest plateau. That's why the Tibetan plateau is called as roof of the world. What is? It is called as roof of the world. Because of the largest plateau, the Tibetan plateau is called roof of the world. Generally, plateaus are rich minerals found. That is, rich minerals are found in the plateaus. For the rich minerals, just we are having, there are some plateaus in our India also. That we go, it is second plateau regarding the plateaus. That is Swata Nagpur plateau. What is that? Swata Nagpur plateau. This plateau contains rich minerals deposits. What is Swata Nagpur plateaus? It is very richest minerals deposit present in the plateaus. This is located in India. This plateau is located in India. What is Swatanagar plateau? This plateau in India where located? No, that Jharkhand, West Bengal, Assam, that region this plateau is located. So another one plateau also located in India, that is called Deccan plateau. What is that? The third important plateau, that is called Deccan plateau. This Deccan plateau is of India, that is in volcanic origin. This is origin of volcanic. Because of the Deccan plateau, the volcanic eruptions that are happened in our Indian mountains. That's volcanic origin, which is called volcanic origin. No, the Deccan Plateau is the volcanic origin. These are some of the important plateaus. What are they? First one is Tibetan Plateau. It is largest plateau. Because of the largest plateau in the world, the Tibetan Plateau is called as roof of the world. Second one is Sota Nagpur Plateau. This plateau is in India. Where it is located? No, that is in Jharkhand and West Bengal region. This is as rich minerals deposits, rich minerals present in these plateaus. The next Deccan Plateau. This is origin of volcanics. This is about the plateaus and its importance. Next second order landform is plain. The plains are usually the traces, that is it is less than 200 meter from its sea level. What is less than 200 meter from its sea level? So that are called plains. The important plains we could see in this. So here there are Mesopotamian, for example, Mesopotamian. And Hindu civilization. What is Mesopotamian and Hindu civilizations? Mesopotamian civilization and Hindu civilizations are developed in these river plains. What is Mesopotamian and Hindu civilization? These are the important civilizations. That civilizations are developed in river plains. Then there are the second important point could understood in these plains. There is Indo-Gangetic. What is Indo-Gangetic? These plains, Indo-Gangetic plains. It is one of the largest plain in the world. Indo-Gangetic plain. It is one of the largest plain. It's one of the largest plain in the world. What is Indo-Gangetic plain? Is the largest plain in the world. Then next is some of the plains we could see in that in our Tamil Nadu also. What are they? That Kaveri and Vaigai. What is Kaveri and Vaigai? These are the plains are located. Our plains are located in our state, that is Tamil Nadu. What are Kaveri and Vaigai river plains? These plains also located. There are some other activities. There are many activities are to be, the peoples are doing this plain area. This is about that plains. What is the less than, the plain that actually less than 200 meter from its sea levels, that are called plains. In plain area, the civilization are developed. The important civilizations, one is Mesopotamian civilization, another Hindu civilization. These two civilizations are developed in river plains. The Indo-Gangetic plain, it is one of the largest plain in the world. Next, Kaveri and Vaigai plains. This is also, it is present in our state, that is in Tamil Nadu. Next we go third order landforms. That the third order landforms examples: valleys, beaches and sand dunes. So these are the three examples of third order landforms. Generally third order landforms are formed on, so they are formed on mountains, plateau and plains. What is? They are formed on mountains, plateau and plains. Mainly by how these landforms are formed? Mainly by erosional and depositional activities. What is erosional and depositional activities by the humans? Because of that, these valleys, beaches and sand dunes are formed. So that activities, that is the peoples are doing in rivers, that is activities of rivers, glaciers and winds and waves. Because of the erosional and depositional activities of rivers, not only the human beings are doing, some rivers are doing that erosional and depositional activities. Some of the glaciers are doing, and winds and waves, these are generally used naturally. These rivers, glaciers and winds, waves are doing its erosional and depositional activities. Because of that, the third order landforms like valleys, beaches and sand dunes are forming. So far students, today in these video sections We have discussed classification of landforms. What are the three mainly classification of landforms? Do you know the three classifications? Yes, what are they? What is first order classifications? First order classifications are classified as continent and oceans. Second order classifications, that is second order landforms, it is categorized as mountain, valleys and plateaus and plains. Mountain, plateaus and plains. These are the examples of second order landforms. Then third order landforms categorized as, what is that? It is valleys, beaches and sand dunes. Thank you, students.